Hey guys, how's it going? This is a knife I picked up off of Sharper Deals. $40.05 shipped. Beautiful knife. Real Stag. Stag is just incredible on this knife. I don't have a lot of Stag stilettos, so this is kind of nice to have. It's got a very, very quick snap. Tang says, what is it? Stiletto, Italy. Dagger grind blade. Nice polish on it. And all in all, not a bad knife. Not a custom, just a production model. Fires really hard. 11-inch knife's an awful nice size for me. I like the 11s. And I really like the Stag on this one. Stag is very, very even on this. It's a very tight knife. Anyway guys, take her easy.